Kusama is one such organization that offers numerous answers for its clients, bringing different blockchains on one brought-together organization. Transcending as a spearheading project executed on a shared organization, Kusama has gigantic advantages to offer viz. Shared security of transfer chains and parachains, including faultless administration. The upgraded foundation permits plentiful functionalities of marking and operability as approved by designers. Kusama's local token is KSM, which plans three fundamental purposes: administration over the organization, marking, and holding, contrasted with different tokens. Before we start with unprejudiced Kusama cost expectation, really take a look at complete coin outline. Kusama, the constitution, the whole programming on the Kusama project is open source, profiting by the in addition to points of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Kusama guarantees perfectly clear straightforwardness and complete exchange secrecy, making it a versatile organization. Despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain, neither the source nor the beneficiary and the sum moved are markers for different clients on the organization, putting the power eventually in the possession of clients. Kusama has normal overhaul plans, and that implies this convention by engineers like Gavin Wood is versatile to meet the different use instances of today and the unanticipated use instances of tomorrow. Additionally, the corporate mission of Kusama isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The corporate has arranged enormous for the future, setting out on different associations and joint efforts, being recorded on prominent cryptographic money trades like Coinbase and Binance and their information. The KSM badge of Kusama offers a protected and reliable stage to its merchants for financial planning and furthermore empowering lesser charges and a plenty of computerized and manufactured resources for single out from. These updates and fruitful tie-ups have sped up the energy at the cost of Kusama coin, making the ecosphere of savvy contracts all over. The redesign has raised the cost of the KSM token, the local badge of the Kusama organization, on trade significantly. Kusama Specialized Examination. The fruitful ICO of Kusama drifted in 2019 October was met with thundering achievement, and it raised more than $140 million, selling north of 10 million KSM supply. While during the send-off, the cost of Kusama was exchanging around at $1.50. The merchant's buy pattern carried it to a degree of $62 toward the finish of 2020. To make the most reliable Kusama cost expectations, one of the main advances is to examine KSM's previous exhibition. Soon after KSM showed up on the trade, its most memorable huge flood came. Around April and May, its cost rose from $2 to $7, a significant leap that mirrored a gigantic measure of early financial backers' revenue in the digital currency market examination. Among October and December 2020, its cost jumped up from $27 to $62. Shockingly, starting from the start of this current year, the cost of the Kusama coin has displayed an uncommon change, fluctuating between $70 to $623. Subsequently, the cost of Kusama acquired financial backer certainty, and the coin saw an extraordinary flood in energy. Somewhat recently, Kusama enrolled its new all-time high of $623. Nonetheless, subsequent to hitting an ATH, the KSM token confronted a critical value drop to $262. A great deal of exchanges happened, and cash changed hands, as per information. Kusama gauges market opinion. Kusama cost is right now moving around $130.02, and the coin has a market capitalization of $1,109,168,389.32 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $54,281,778.32. The circling supply of 8,470,098 KSM. In view of our Kusama cost gauge, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2026 is $641.56. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 393.8%. The Kusama cost is anticipated to reach $107.53 by the start of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $134.41. Lease cost $91.40. By January 2023 end, it ought to effectively swing around $120.82, making it a wise venture. The cost of Kusama could fall dramatically in the forthcoming years. Kusama has been giving a positive indication. As indicated by our expectation benefits, the future cost of the KSM USD is GWAJ at $847.49 following a year. A great deal of Kusama projects are moving from the idea stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a lot of tasks would have been finished. Thus, an inside and out bullish conjecture of $24,074,377.60, making it a beneficial venture by 2022 end. Through latest things, financial backer opinion. and the general bearing of the cryptographic money market, we think Kusama has a decent possibility visiting the $800 to $1,200 mark in 2022 as long as the pattern proceeds and the group keeps on dealing with their items and organization. In the same way as other cryptographic forms of money, KSM USD is additionally powerless against market developments and high unpredictability. Notwithstanding, in spite of being profoundly unpredictable, KSM has shown steady development over the long haul according to the price tag of view in Kusama Specialized Examination. Kusama Value Forecast 2022, keeping up pair with a similar bullish cost pattern. There are expectations that the KSM cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022. Keeping in context the series of consecutive pinnacles and bucks, the Kusama cost just demonstrates a positive pattern among the subsiding pandemic situation contacting the $184.21 mark. Kusama Value Forecast 2023, going by concentrating on more limited and longer value patterns and estimate information. KSM cost has been straying from its way ordinarily every 2 or 3 years, so proceeding, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be really ideal for KSM cost for heighten, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of KSM cost causing a misfortune yet just pitiful, dropping to $214.04 once more. In any case, this stays as a critical situation, and a few specialists disagree with this condition. Kusama Value Forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance in that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected in view of the estimate that KSM cost will manage the crypto realm with an exhibition of greatest cost fixed at $243.90, which shows KSM cost can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances as conceded by the Organization of Virtual Entertainment Channels. Kusama Value Expectation 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year as KSM cost is anticipated to outperform $281.89 definitely. This year, no pivotal elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the majority of the harm done would be making a course for fixed work in store for every world economy. KSM is assessed to stretch around $225-$285 by 2025, in view of our estimates with mass reception. Kusama Value Expectation 2026. The crypto projections and expectations from that point forward have begun drifting towards idealism instead of negativity. The KSM cost expectation for this entire year remains very uplifting, expressing that KSM cost could exchange around the $257.78 mark. Might I at any point bring in cash with KSM? Without a doubt, yes. As indicated by our figures, Kusama is most certainly a beneficial speculation for what's to come. Since Kusama is only a couple of years old, its most reduced cost execution also has not been frustrating. The development in KSM cost